To fix a missing Google Play Store on Android, start by checking if the Google Play Store is disabled or hidden. Go to your device settings and select the Apps or Application Manager option. Look for the Google Play Store app in the list of installed apps. If you find it, check if it is enabled or disabled. If it is disabled, enable it to restore the Google Play Store. If the Google Play Store is not in the list of installed apps, it may have been uninstalled. In this case, you will need to reinstall it. However, the Google Play Store cannot be downloaded from a website as it is a system app. Instead, you will need to perform a factory reset or use an alternate method such as using the Google Play Store APK file. Another possible solution is to clear the data and cache of the Google Play Store. To do this, go to your device settings and select the Apps or Application Manager option. Find the Google Play Store app in the list of installed apps and select it. Then, select the Clear Data and Clear Cache options to reset the Google Play Store. You can also try resetting the Google Play Store to its default settings. To do this, go to your device settings and select the Apps or Application Manager option. Find the Google Play Store app in the list of installed apps and select it. Then, select the Uninstall Updates option to reset the Google Play Store to its default version. If none of these solutions work, you may need to perform a factory reset on your device. This will erase all of your data, so make sure to back up your device before doing so. To perform a factory reset, go to your device settings and select the Backup and Reset option. Then, select the Factory Data Reset option and follow the prompts to complete the reset. In some cases, the Google Play Store may be missing due to a problem with your device's operating system. In this case, you may need to update your device's operating system or seek further assistance from the manufacturer or a professional technician. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a missing Google Play Store on Android and restore access to the App Store. Remember to always be cautious when downloading and installing apps from outside the Google Play Store, as they may pose a security risk to your device.